How to fix DragonSword Awakening is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open the properties. In the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files quickly. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab, and you can navigate to this link, which you can find in the description below. And from here, you will need to get the redistributables, the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. And once you install these, it will require you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, one thing you'll need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So depends on which GPU you're running. For NVIDIA, you will need to use the NVIDIA app, and for AMD, you will need the AMD software and download and install the latest driver update from here. And once you're done, all you need to do now is right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. And that should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.